I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication to FA on your PlayStation app is a great way to enhance your account security. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the PlayStation app. Launch the PlayStation app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select account settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. In the account settings menu, scroll down and find the security section. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-step verification or two-factor authentication. Toggle it on and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Verify your method. Choose your preferred verification method such as SMS or an authenticator app. If you select SMS, make sure your phone number is correct to avoid missing the verification code. Remember to keep your recovery codes safe as they can help you regain access if you lose your phone. Setting up 2FA might seem a bit tedious, but it is worth the extra layer of security. Happy gaming!